Hi, I'm Jess from Love My Earth. This morning I thought I'd share with you my savoury pancake recipe. A lot of people ask me how I get so many spices into my diet, and basically it's because I don't just use them in curries, I use spices in all sorts of meals. So I thought I'd just share with you a bit of a go-to recipe for me. I like to keep a jug of this really simple pancake mix in the fridge. So I'll make it up at the start of the week and then I just leave it there and use it as I need. Basically I've got one cooking here at the moment. It's a standard pancake mix, but I've added some curry powder into it, and you'll just see here it's a delicious sort of pancake mix, but without dairy and without egg, so it's extremely healthy, and especially if you're dairy free or vegan. So basically you just add that to your pan, fry it off, and then I like to serve it here with a mixture of whatever I've got in the fridge. So today I've got some grated carrots, spinach, tomato, and some homemade zucchini kasundi. So yeah, super easy. You'll find the recipe up on my blog, check it out, and yeah, enjoy your day.